Okay student, this is book bag question answers. First question, why did Jim run from school? Jim ran from school because it was raining heavily outside. Here in the question the verb run only given. In the answer it is given as ran. Did plus run, ran. Jim ran from school because it was raining heavily outside. Question number 2. Where was Emmy's mother? Emmy's mother was in Mrs. Brand's. Actually Mrs. Brand's house. Who is Mrs. Brand's? Emmy's mother's friend. She went there. She means Emmy's mother went there to buy some items for a recipe. Recipe means what? Instruction for cooking. She went there to buy some items for a recipe. Question number 3. Why did Emmy ask Betty to fill in the water tubs? Emmy asked Betty to fill in the water tubs with fresh water because if the water supply was cut off, they might not have safe water to drink. They might not have safe water to drink. Question number 4. According to Jim, what are the 2 things a person should remember in times of emergency? Answer. According to Jim, a person should remember not to let others see how scared he or she is. Scared means afraid. The second thing is the person should gather things like water, food, blankets and lights. There are 2 things a person should keep remember in the mind during emergency. First one, should remember not to let others see how scared he or she is. Second thing is the person should gather things like water, food, blankets and lights. What are the important things needed during emergency time? They should gather with them. Now question number 5. Why is Jim climbing on the roof? Answer. Jim is climbing on the roof to signal others to get some help. He thinks that someone will come there in a boat. Why he want to go to the roof? Then only he can give the signal to others. Then he thinks that someone will come there in a boat to save the people. Sixth one, who were in the living room? What were they doing? Who were in the living room? Emmy, Rose and Betty were in the living room. Emmy and Rose were knitting and Betty was looking at pictures in a magazine. Question number 7. Why were they going to sleep in the attic? They were afraid that the flood will enter their house and they were not safe to be on the ground floor. Why were they going to sleep in the attic? The reason is they were afraid that the flood will enter their house and they were not safe to be on the ground floor. So they were going to sleep in the attic. Who came in the boat? The members of Red Cross, Mr. Peters and Miss Marsh came in the boat. The 2 people who and all, the members of Red Cross, Mr. Peters and Miss Marsh, she is nurse, came in the boat. Question number 9. Who is the founder of the Junior Red Cross? J or C? Have you here J or C? Who is founder of the Junior Red Cross? The founder of Junior Red Cross is Jean Henry Dunant. Jean Henry Dunant. Okay students, these 9 questions only today's homework. You study all these 9 questions very thoroughly and write very neatly, then send me clearly. Okay children, bye. Thank you ma.